Hello, everyone. This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, and I am here today to share with you an amazing opportunity that is helping people all over the world with their finances. Right now, inflation is high, and we all can use a little extra help, right? So, our $5 Blessing Community 15-day challenge is here to help you, is here to rescue you. With just a $5 seed, you can be a blessing to someone and yourself, turning that $5 into $22,000 over and over again. Wouldn't that be a blessing? Yes, it would. So let's get into how it works. On day one, you're watching this video. An inviter shared this video with you. You decide you want to be a part of our amazing community, and you sow a gift of $5 to your inviter. You're going to turn around and share this amazing opportunity to two people who will then gift you $5 each. Now, day two. To get to day two, after your two invitees gift you $10, you're going to go ahead and gift your inviter that $10, putting you on day two, and your invitees will just repeat the process and gift you $10 each, giving you a total of $20. You're going to take that $20 and put yourself on day three by gifting your inviter that $20. Your invitees will do the same thing for you, giving you a total of $40. You're going to take that $40 and gift your inviter that $40, putting you on day four. Your invitees will do the same, giving you a total of $80, which you would then gift your inviter, putting you on day five. And of course, your invitees will do the same for you, giving you a total of $160. Now, as you see this, we don't start harvesting until day 8. That is where the fun begins. That's where we get to keep some of our seed, okay? Day 8, $640 is what you're going to receive from your invitees each, giving you a total of $1,280. You're going to keep $280, and you're going to take $1,000 and gift your inviter, the same person that you gifted day 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, and you're going to gift them $1,000. Your invitees are going to do the same for you. Your same invitees are going to gift you $1,000 each, giving you a total of $2,000. You're going to keep $500 out of that gift, right? The next thing you're going to do is take $1,500 and gift your inviter $1,500, putting you on day 10. Your invitees will do the same thing and gift you $1,500 each, giving you a total of $3,000. You keep $500. You're going to upgrade to day 11 with $2,500 by gifting your inviter that $2,500, putting you on day 11. Your invitees will do the same thing for you, giving you a total of $5,000. You're going to keep $2,000 of that $5,000 and take $3,000 and gift your inviter, putting you on day 12, where you will then receive $3,000 from each of your invitees, giving you a total of $6,000. You're going to keep $2,000 and then upgrade to day 13 with $4,000 by gifting your inviter that $4,000, putting you on day 13. All right. You're going to receive $4,000 each from each of your invitees, giving you a total of $8,000. You're going to keep $3,000 and upgrade to day 14 with $5,000. You're on day 14 now, And your two invitees would gift you $5,000 each, giving you a total of $10,000. You're going to keep $4,000, and you're going to upgrade to day 15 with $6,000, gifting your inviter that $6,000, putting you on day 15. On day 15, you're going to also receive $6,000 from each of your two invitees, giving you a total of $12,000. You will keep $10,500 and restart on day 10 with $1,500. This is how we get to keep a total of $22,000 over and over again. When you restart with that $1,500, you're going to gift that $1,500 to your inviter, putting you back on day 10 again. We're not starting back to day 1, we're starting to day 10. Okay, so you go back at day 10 and gift your inviter that $1,500. Your invitees will do the same thing and gift you $1,500 again. And you will get to keep $500 out of that. Upgrade to day 11 again by gifting your inviter the $2,500. And you're going to go to day 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, and repeat the process over and over again. Do you see the magic in that? Do you see how amazing that could be for you and your loved ones or people you know who may need this right now? Of course you do. So, on day 1 through 7, we saw here that 1 through 7, we saw that you don't get to keep anything, but we do have a strategy in place to help you get through these days faster. Let's say you come in with your $5 and you have one person. One person gives you $5. You can go ahead and go to day 2 by gifting your inviter $10 while you wait on your second person to gift you their $5. So you got yourself on day 2 faster by just with one person. When you get to day 2, you would do the same thing. Day 2, one of your people gifted you their $10. You could go ahead and put yourself on day 3 with $20, and while you wait on your second person to give you the other $10. You can also do the same thing when you get to day 3. It's all up to you on how fast you want to get to day 8. So if you like what you see and you like what you hear and you are wanting to be a part of this amazing community, get back to the person that shared this video with you and get started. I'd love to see you on the inside of this community. We are doing amazing things, having fun, and being a blessing. See you on the inside and see you at the top. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.